that Filipino over there? Guapo. Hello, baby. Dear Fair, ako'y nag-iisa, matagal na akong nabiyuda. There's something I need to know. Unbelievable, I just got my first computer. There's something I need to know. I don't know how to send an email. Well, here is something that you should do. And maybe just in time you'll know it too. One, lagyan mo ng address. Two, lagyan mo ng subject. Three, kung may attachment ka, just make sure that it's attached na. Four, you write your messages. Five, you have to check your spelling next. And when you finally get to the end, all you have to click is send. May isa pa, Dear Fair, why can't we be friends? 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 Merong mga taong tutor ng ignore, kahit na very close kayo from before. Ngunit one day biglang accepted ka na, dahil pala ay uutangan ka niya. Why can't we be friends? 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 Walang pambayad sa production staff. Anak ko yan, para makatipid. Ano ba yan? Store mo naman. Hindi na muto ko dito eh. Hello? Sino bang kausap ko? And let me start by saying, Jojo, pakisagot. Baka kasi immigration na yun. Ang humingi ng pera. Gago yung dumaan. Asawa ko yata yun. Sandali, stop the music. Honey, pera mo, pera ko. I sit alone and watch the light. Aking best friend, sometimes all right. All things that I need, maganda at pangit, lahat ay nasa internet. Ako ngayon ay internet gaga, internet guru, internet gaga. At tayo ay internet gaga, nagpapagaga. Malaki ang kwento sa takbo sa harap ng internet. Now you listen to my story. Here's a fact that I want to tell. Ang tagal ko nang gustong mag-Twitter, hindi naman ako marunong mag-spell. I can spell Twitter. Ha? Sagutin mo na kasi. Kanina pa kayo nag-uusap. He cannot, so you're translating everything? Oh my gosh. For you, I will talk English. Sometimes. B.
Sex.
What's on your mind, pare, talaga? Mukha nga itong manyakis. Anong letter na ako? D. D for dog. Effort.
Effort.
Effort. Utang na loob. Akala ko matatalino mga atenista. F for effort. Yan na ba talagang gusto yan ah? Platinum. Platinum credit card. Oh no, there's a sister. Sister, what's letter P? I forgot to ask you. But what comes to mind when the letter P?
Popcorn.
Popcorn. Yeah. When I'm on the internet, sister, I eat popcorn. May madre pala. Sister, nagtatrabaho lang ho ako.